Hey everybody, I'm Corey.
And I'm Dana.
And guess where we are? Good morning, everyone. It's day 4 of our Serenade of the Seas cruise, and we had a great night last night. We had some wonderful breakfast this morning, some room service breakfast delivered to us, some delicious pancakes and eggs and bacon and sausage. I highly recommend ordering room service breakfast if you can. Get the all-American breakfast. It's delicious, absolutely delicious. Actually, better than going to the Windjammer. It may not have as many options, but the food was fresh and tasted wonderful. So today we are in a perfect day at CocoCay in the Bahamas. As you can see, there's the perfect day at CocoCay Island right over there. If you remember from our Symphony of the Seas vlog, if you go back and look at that, you can see the tour of Perfect Day at CocoCay. You can see the pool that's there, the food that they offer, some of the grills there. I think we even had some funnel cake there. I'm not quite sure, but we had some delicious food. They had the water parks. They had all that kind of stuff. They had the tram going around. So just wanted to show you that we were here today at Perfect Day at CocoCay. We're not getting off today because we've been here before, and the water in that pool is actually really cold.
Lord, it beat on my back is freezing. I told you. It's good for you. If you go down to your shoulders and come out, it'll feel warmer.
No, you know what? It ain't good for me.
It's a beautiful day though. It's very warm outside today, and it's beautiful, but we didn't feel like going out there today. But today, pool day, relaxing on Serenade of the Seas. So I'm out here playing golf. Did the whole, I don't know what it is, 10 holes. No, 9 holes. Did the whole 9-hole play of golf. And then when you come back, I realized when you come back, so they have hand sanitizer. They have hand sanitizer right here where you go to get the golf balls and golf clubs. They have hand sanitizer right here. But when you're done and you're finished with the 9th hole, right here is where you will put, see right here is where you'll put the golf clubs right here. And then you also put the used golf balls inside of here, and they've got wipes and everything for you to wipe off the stuff or wipe off your hands and everything like that. So they got some sanitation things going on right there after you finish. So one to take out, one to put in. So that's good to know. We're out of the Solarium pool. The Solarium pool is 6 feet deep. I don't remember it being this deep. I can't touch the bottom. And there's no stools over here. Little seats. They used to have little seats. And I think that was on Brilliance is what Mama said. I mean, David said Brilliance. I call her Mama. They didn't mean to call her Mama. Look, I've been a cool little cave over here by myself. Dana's not talking to me. She's just dancing. See her dancing? That's what she's doing. Let's go underneath. Are you enjoying yourself? You didn't put the goggles on, you just getting them wet.
Yeah, I haven't bothered to put my face in the water. I don't
You don't
think
know
it's necessary.
Why'd you bring them? I mean,
Last time
No, I'll be into the pool. I'll be into the pool.
And I was going underneath the water, but now I feel like.
You feel like what?
Later.
It's been 2 days since I've been doing this Lego set. Blocks Central, I think it's what it's called. Block Central. As you can see, I'm on page 3, step number 19, and this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like so far. Much of nothing. I mean, I guess it's the shape of where the dog, you know, it's the shape of how the dog's supposed to be. I don't know, but this is extremely hard to put together. But it's been kind of frustrating, but also challenging. Like, I like that it's challenging, but at the same time, I'm like, I should be done with this by now. And I'm on day 2 of putting this together. Oh, I had to actually use Dana's magnifying glass from her crime game that she was playing, crime investigation game. I had to use her magnifying glass because it was just so small I couldn't see it on the page. And I was also trying to do it at night with the little light that shines out here, so that wasn't ideal, but I had to use her magnifying glass. I probably have to use her magnifying glass today just to see all these pieces. Anyways, getting old is fun. Yeah, going back to my Legos, we'll see what happens.
Hey guys. Okay, so as you can see, I am laying down in the room. We are actually waiting for a phone call. We ordered our Chops food for takeout to go, so we have to go pick it up. And I just thought I would pop in real quick and let you know tomorrow, which is, I guess they consider day 5, the day before our first cruise ends, we have to go and get a PCR test done. Well, actually, did it say PCR or antigen? Antigen. An antigen COVID test done. So the little nose swipe, it's free, it's included, but we have to go get that done tomorrow at 10:15, and that's for all passengers that are doing it back-to-back. You have to go and meet up. I think it's between 10 and 10:30, but ours is at 10:15, and we'll go and meet up and just get the test done as part of the back-to-back. Then on the actual last day of the first cruise, we have to meet up again and get our new SeaPass card and some other stuff too, which we'll talk about a little bit later. But the first thing we have to do is get basically our COVID clearance. So we will go tomorrow at 10:15 in the morning and get our COVID test done.
The funny thing is they sent that to us on the second day of our cruise. It's like them giving us our luggage tag on the second day that we're here.
Yeah, so that's one thing I will say. I can't do a 5-day cruise. Like, it is way too short. Like, they're already talking about what we do when we get off on the second day, which, if anybody knows, the second day is like the first day as far as I'm concerned, right? Because the actual first day you get on the ship, you're doing so much stuff and just finally breathing and relaxing. It doesn't really feel like vacation.
You might as well not even unpack.
Right. So to be hit with the second day and being told, hey, this is what you have to do to get off the ship, was kind of like, really? I barely even got up here. But anyway, so I definitely want to do longer cruises in the future if we can. Anyway, so that's all for now. Yes, I know I look tired, but that's all for now. You know, we did stay up till 3 a.m. last night.
We did.
We certainly did, and that's where the bags came from. Bye.
Moments later.
So tonight Corey and I are eating in, and the thing I like about it is when we go to some of their fancier restaurants, you know, and then Corey, he just licked a knife. Anyway, when you go to their fancy restaurants and they serve you like the 3 courses, it's just too much food. And you really can't, I don't know how anybody manages to eat all 3 courses and get out of there. So the nice thing about being able to bring it back to your room is I can eat on it. I can take as long as I need to eat this food and maybe have dessert later or something like that. Anyway, the first thing Corey got, he got an appetizer. He had the pork belly. So Corey, tell us.
Okay.
Sorry, go ahead.
So I ordered the grilled cracked pepper bacon. I think that's what it's called. So I'm thinking it's just a piece of bacon. You want to see it? A big slab. This is a pork belly. That ain't bacon.
I thought it was your steak.
Oh, it's my steak. That's how I ordered a prime rib. That isn't. That's a baby prime rib. Or is it a prime rib? This is prime rib.
Okay, so but back to the pork belly thing. What don't you like about it?
It just was kind of gristly.
Okay.
It didn't have any flavor.
Really?
That sauce is like ketchup with water in it.
Well, I had salmon, and yes, guys, you could tell that I kind of cut it up a little bit. But anyway, I had salmon, and this is delicious, but it's a lot of salmon, and like I said, it's gonna take me a while to eat this, but it is really good. This right here is the crab cake, and it's okay. I don't love it. I mean, but nothing wrong with it. It just wasn't anything to write home about. But so far, I mean, I'm not a steak person, so Chops isn't like the restaurant I would go to. So I just kind of make do. But I mean, the food's been fine. But again, like I said, it's a lot of food.
I was just gonna say I apologize for eating on camera, but the steak is very good. And no, the pork belly was not on the floor. It was on the plate and covered up. We have no room on this little table out here. This on the menu says Gruyere cheesy tater tot. Now, it looks like a giant tater tot.
Show that cheese pool.
But look, see a cheese pool? This is mashed potatoes fried. That's what this is. You see that? There ain't no cheese in this. The Gruyere cheese is like rich. I taste not a lick of cheese.
Are you full? Corey? See, this is...
I feel like, I don't know if you ever seen that movie, The Great Outdoors, with John Candy had that steak challenge that he had to eat like a 5-pound, 10-pound steak or whatever it was. He was just like...
Moments later.
Get ready to play heads up. Whitney Houston singing on a chair, old Dolly Parton song.
I will always love. I will love you. I will always love you.
Yes. This is a fashion thing. You put your money in a
Wallet.
and people who smoke cigarette after cigarette are what kind of smokers?
Chain wallet. Wallet
Yes.
chain.
Yes. A store in the mall you never shopped in. This is not joking.
I don't know.
Eddie Bauer.
Who?
Eddie Bauer.
Oh, I've never heard of it. Okay, this was a movie about a pig that talked.
Wilbur.
No, the
Charles
other one.
Webb.
The other one.
Babe.
Yes. These were little stuffed animals. There was
Beanie Baby.
No, they had one had like a rainbow, one had like a cloud on it. One
Bears.
had
Care Bears.
Yes.
I didn't do it. Sorry, it wasn't me. Who's one of the singers of that song? So she called me on the counter.
Oh,
it wasn't
Shane.
me. Yes. That ride that we go on at Disney World with the roaches walking in your butt.
Ants.
No, but what is the name of the movie?
Ants.
No.
A Bug's Life.
Yes. Food fight. Something we should be good at.
This is something that you put into a pan to mix your
butter.
saute vegetables in.
Oil. Olive oil.
Yes. This is something you get with Nestle. Nestle's.
Milk.
What kind?
Quick milk. That's quick. What was it?
Quick milk.
A blank pie has nuts in it. Come on.
Blank pie.
What kind of pies have nuts in it? Why am I so mad at this?
What kind of blank? What kind of something?
A pie has nuts in it.
What kind of pie has nuts? Walnut pecan pie?
Yes.
We're really good at this. But that was fun. Okay, I think we're gonna finish working on my Lego dog.
I'm gonna read.
She's gonna read. Thanks for joining us for Fun Time. Heads Up is a great game. If you haven't played it, you should try it out.
We played it in the
It's a
airport.
free app.
Yeah, it's fun.
Yeah, I think it would be fun to play around like a whole bunch of people and hear people like yelling, trying to get the answers. Like, you're not playing. All right, bye.
Bye.
Okay guys, so we hope you enjoyed that video. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know every time we post new videos. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.